Good day everyone, I am Erica Niña Tamala and I did choose a problem 78. So the total cost of producing a certain product is C is equal to 40x minus 0.01x squared minus 600, where x is the number of units produced. So find the value of x for minimum cost. So here is the solution. C is equal to 40x minus 0.01x squared minus 600. So we all know that this equation is a quadratic equation in terms of x. And C also represents the equation where x is number of units produced. And again, our goal is to find the value of x that minimizes the total cost. So second, we have to differentiate the cost function. And we all know that the derivative of 40x is 40 since x is equal to 1, and the derivative of negative 0.01x squared is negative 0.02x, and the derivative of 600 is 0 because it is constant, and we all know that the constant rule, remember, any constant number is equal to 0. So it will be 6 C prime is equal to 40 minus 0.02x is equal to 0. The next step, to find the critical point, set the first derivative equal to 0. So this, then we have to rearrange the equation for us to solve for x. So here, we have to equate the 0.02x to the other side. Then we have to divide 0.02 to both sides in order for us to eliminate the x. So 40 divided by 0.02 equals to 0.02 x divided by 0.02, and have to eliminate. So the remaining will be x. So 40 divided by 0.02 is equal to 2000, which is our final answer. So that will be all. Thank you. So problem 136. In planning the seating capacity of a certain review center, it is estimated that if there are 40 to 80 reviewers enrolled, the annual profit will be 80 pesos per head. However, if the seating capacity is above 80, the annual profit per head would decrease by 40 centavos times the number of reviewers above 80. What should be the seating capacity in order to yield the greatest annual profit? So first, we have to determine the seating capacity of review center to yield the greatest annual profit. The problem provides the following details. If the number of reviewers or students is between 40 and 80, the annual profit is 80 pesos per head, correct? And if the number of reviewers exceeds 80, the annual profit per head decreases by 0.40 pesos or 40 centavos for each reviewee above 80. So X is equal to the seating capacity to yield greatest profit, and P stands for the profit per review with more than 80 students. So for X, if X is greater than 80, the profit per reviewer formula simplifies as follows. 80 minus 0.40, the quantity of X minus 80 is equal to P is equal to X, quantity of 80 minus 0.4, and the quantity of X minus 80. So first we have to distribute the negative 0.4 in this term. Then it will be negative 0.4x plus 32, bring down 80 and x. So this will be the outcome. Then we have to simplify it. So P is equal to 112x because 80x plus 32 is equal to 112x minus negative or 0.4x squared, since x man. If we're going to distribute x, it will be x squared. So I did use 0.40 kay mura man gyapon. Same ra man na. Then next step, we have to find the value of x that maximizes the profit. So we have to take the derivative of p with respect to x and set it into 0. So here we have to find its derivative. So the derivative of 112x is 112, and the derivative of 0.040x squared is equal to negative 0.80x. So we have to eliminate and find the value of x by what? We have to divide both sides by 0.80. So 0.80 divided by 0.80x divided by 0.80, push out, bring down x. 120 divided by 0.80 will be 140. So the final answer is x is equal to 140 seating capacity. So, in conclusion, the seating capacity that yields the greatest annual profit for the review center is 140. Thus, the review center should have a seating capacity of 140 to maximize its annual profit. So that will be all. Thank you.